Okay, so let's start the proceeding for the day and we'll start learning about reversing a list. So today's topic in this session is reversing a list. Mhm. So what we are going to learn in this session is we'll be using a function called reverse. We'll use some functions to reverse, and also we'll use slicing. I already covered that, however I'll cover in this session as well. So these are the way we are going to reverse a list. Okay, so we have a list called numbers and I want to reverse it. So reverse a list. So we'll use numbers dot reverse. So this is the function, and basically you need to now you see this list is reversed permanently. However, and also if I want to reverse it using reverse using slicing or the value step count, right? Using step count. So what I'm doing here is -1, and that's it. It will reverse the string for me. So let me put this here, numbers. So this numbers list is this only. It is all it. So if you use this function anytime, it will reverse, right? It will always give you that. It just when you're doing it, if you're not storing this thing into a variable which is like say temp list, and then you call temp list, right? So then it will store. However, if you keep on using this, so it is just whenever you're using it, will not change the list, reverse the list. Okay, so what happened? Yeah, so it will temporarily for that moment only, but you see using reversed function, we have actually it has actually reversed the string, and it will start it will keep on like that until unless I again use a reverse to make it same. Okay, so like see, numbers is always with like this. There's another function called reversed. Okay, so now this is it will return a list. So to view the list, what we need to do, we need to use the constructor. So this is another way. So always we have to use list or the or we have to actually use the list constructor to view the list, and but however in the reversed function we need not to use such kind of a thing. It will always convert into a list. So these are the some trade-offs in terms of how and when you have used this kind of functions. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. See you in another video.